Hi everyone, I'm Alessandro and welcome to this quick video tutorial. In this video I want to show you how you can make your own 3D printable label with your own text. But first of all, I want to say thank you to all our backers in our new Kickstarter campaign, Epic Playmat Tubes Volume 3, The Sacred Geometries. We had a lot of backers, a lot of comments, a lot of ideas and suggestions, so we wanted to create this label maker for free for everyone, so you can make your own label for your personalized tubes. So before we move to the Blender file, we need to download Blender, of course, and if you don't have Blender, you can easily go to the blender.org and download the latest files for free. After you have installed it, we can move to the Blender. The files, of course, will be available in the link down below or in the Kickstarter page. You can easily find it. So when you open the file, you will find this this window. You don't need to know anything about Blender. I will guide you very easy. On the left side, you will see which button I will click, and also on the keyboard, so it will be very easy for you to understand. So first of all, we have two objects here. One is the label and one is the text. You don't see nothing because we will do this in just 1 second. So let's click on the text backup here and press tab on your keyboard. Okay, now we enter the edit mode and we can place whatever text we want. So for example, my cool text. Okay. Next, if you want to scale the font because maybe it's a little bit too small, or change the font, you can go here where there's this letter down here. Then you scroll down until you see the size, and then here you can adjust it wherever you want. Okay. And also, if you think that is not perfectly aligned, you need to do this: press the tab button again on your keyboard and be sure that this option is enabled. This one is the gizmo means that you can move and rotate the object as you want. So for example, here is a little bit misaligned on the y-axis, so we can move a little bit down. Oh, one thing, if you want to move the camera, you need to press the wheel button on your mouse without releasing it, and you can rotate around it. Okay, so once your label is finished, we need to select both of them. So Control and select both. Okay, now we go to File, Export, STL. Just leave it all the parameters like this, no problem. Label Maker, or whatever name you want to give to this label, and export. Perfect. Now we are ready to go to our slicer software. Okay, so the second part here of the tutorial is for those who have multicolor printing, because I wanted to show you how easy it is to change colors in the label if you want to have different color for the text and for the label. So let's import the file we have just made on Blender. So label maker here, perfect. Now we see that we have just one color, so we need to move here on objects, label maker, and right click and split to parts, and then the program will split all the letters and the label. So in order to change the colors, we just need to change the color from this column. So for example, this one probably will be the base label. Let's try. Exactly. Okay, so we have that this part is the base. Okay, as you can see here, there are only two colors available, so only two here reflected on the model. But if you want to add more, you just need to click the plus button here. So we have the third color, that is yellow. You can change it by clicking here and put whatever you want. Let's try red. Okay, and then we can from here change the colors as we want. So this one 3, for example. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 3 colors. So this is the end of the video. I hope it was clear enough for you. If you have any problems, feel free to send us a message on Discord, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you prefer. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!